Today we will learn how to add citation and references in Microsoft document from a website. First, open your document. Then go to References tab. Click on Insert Citation and add New Citation. Then choose Website. Now go to Website. Find website owner or website author details. Add all details one by one in your document. After filling all details, click OK. Its citation is added. Now click on Bibliography and add references. All references added automatically. Now set formatting according to APA. That's all for today. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you.